Hello, we are going to show you how to install Python 3 onto a Windows 10 machine. And it's very, very simple. First, you just go with your trusty browser to python.org. Just hover over the Downloads button and you should see Download for Windows. Make sure it says something like 3.7.2. Click on that. And we will do a save. And it shouldn't take long. This is pretty quick. Let's open folder. Here's the file we just downloaded. Let's double click on that. And this is very important. Make sure you click this checkbox here. Add Python 3.7 to path. If you don't do that, we'll get into all sorts of problems later on. We do that and just say install now. Say yes. And it will now install our distribution onto Windows. It takes a little while. I'll cut out some of this. Okay, setup was successful. That's always good news. Close out this window. Let's go over to our Start menu and scroll down. Python 3.7. Click on that, and then you'll see a bunch of things here. Let's just try Python 3.7 32-bit. We go there. It brings up a whole window. Hey, 3.7.2. Make sure it says that. And that looks like Python's running. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.